Hi guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree and I thought we would look at the snack aisle. Okay, let's start over here. Look what they have, guys. They have these crushed strawberry singles to go. That's pretty neat. I don't think I've ever seen that here. And here is the Starburst, all pink. The Weiler's Light and pink lemonade and strawberry lemonade. And over there, strawberry lemonade. And here's the Hawaiian Punch, Wild Purple Smash. Over there, they have the Zero Sugar Kool-Aid. The Diet Snapple. I don't think I've seen that. Okay, so this is pretty neat to have. Then they have the ice. And this peach nectarine. What flavor is this? The orange mango. And what flavor is this? The cherry lemonade. Then you have the classic lemonade, and then you have this aloe vera drink zone and pineapple flavor. I never seen that. Then over here is the original one, and here's some more of the ice, black raspberry flavor, and there is the peach nectarine. So then we come over here and we have the Kool-Aid pops, the frozen pops, and then you have the Gatorade Zero, and then you have these guys. These are huge. The mango green tea. Okay, and then look at this one. This is the peach one. So those two. Then you have some more of those. You have the alkaline 65 electrolyte water. I'm telling you, these things are like really huge, guys. Look at that. So this is the Razzleberry, Caddyshack, and Hello Mango. And look, they even have Perrier. I can't remember the last time I ever saw Perrier here. Then they have the Fruit Mist Black Cherry Water. And this is a nice size. Look at this, guys. That's a 2 liter. And then this is Powerade Power Water. And there is the... I guess they come in flavors. And then you have this, the Nestle Pure Life water. Guys, you have these sparkling cider. Okay, Martinelli's. They have a lot of those. Then they have the Zip It Energy Fuel Drink. They have it in multi-flavor. Then they have this Rockstar Pure Zero and grape. And they have the Monster. So they have this kind here, the Rip It, and then they have the Rockstar. Okay, so that's what they have for drinks. Then they have this mango juice beverage, and then they have these coffees, guys. This iced latte and vanilla, mocha, and I think that's it. Then over here they have the tamarind. The tamarind drinks in a bottle. What is this? Sangria. Sangria without alcohol. And then I'm not sure what that is. What is that? Apple soda. Naturally flavored apple soda. That's new, guys. Mango juice beverage. Okay. Then they have the Sunny D. Then you have the apple juice. And then you have that Orchard Healthy Balance in the pomegranate, blueberry. Then you have the cranberry, and then you have these, the cranberry, cran apple. Here you have tomato juice, and here you have the small juices right there. So you have some more Powerade, Gatorade Zero, and then some more Kool-Aid. Here you have the Arizona sweet tea, and then here you have the, what is that? The Mucho Mango. And then you have the Arizona teas here, and then you have their sodas here, and then you have this jalapeno cheese flavor. So you have this munch rice, and you have some corn chips over here, and you have some dark chocolate blueberry over here. So you have the banana chips, which are right here, the onion rings back there. So you have the Wise Ridges over there and the Kettle Coke there. So then you have these things here, guys. The rice rolls. So they have that. And I've never seen this before. All natural toasted coconut chips. Okay. Then you have the French dip and the jalapeno cheddar. Then you have the kettle corn, the nacho cheese flavor. And then over here you have the plantain chips. Then you have your tortilla chips down here. Fiddle faddle down there. The popcorn. These you have the dry roasted edamame right here. And you have almonds. And here you even have the butter popcorn seasoning. Here you have the honey mustard and onion pretzels. So here you have some pistachios, and here's some wasabi peas, some release, the pretzel crisp. So what is this? Nut roll? Oh, the nut roll. These are so good. Oh my goodness, I gotta stay away from that. So then they have the Nutella pretzel sticks. And then over here you have snacks on the go. The turkey jerky, the beef, and the original snacks there. The cookie dunks, Lunchable cookie dunks. I never even heard of this. As whatever it is, it's pretty neat because it's Lunchables. Then you have the Lay's chips up there for $1. You have the cheese doodles right here, the pretzels, the corn chips. Then you have these little snackers, the dip snackers. These are really good. Here's the pretzel sticks. Then you have the cheese popcorn. Then you have that chili lime flavor chip. Here's the cheese popcorn. Here's the onion flavored rings. And there you have your pork rinds. On the bottom, your bugles. And there you have your flips. Those are really neat. Look at these chopped walnuts. And here's some beef jerky, guys. So there's some Takis right there. And what are these? Harvest Snaps white cheddar. And this is mini bar sesame nuts. This is new. I never seen that here. There's your fluffy cotton candy, your ranch fries, and what are these? These are the Rice Krispie treat toppers. And there's your bugles down there. There's your hot fries and your cheddar fries. And here's your roasted seaweed. Then you have your corn nuts and your goldfish. And there you have some white cheddar popcorn. Honey barbecue, sour cream and onion. And there you have your cheese dips, your onion dip, and your salsa. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their snacks and their drinks. And I'll see you guys in another video.